Okay, so here is how fabulous my spring planters worked. Yeah, I don't know what happened. My pansies did nothing. I had like 2 blooms the entire time. And it looks like this primrose is just getting ready to start blooming again. We got some buds in there. And then there's my bloom. So I'm going to be taking these apart. The primroses are perennials here, so they'll be going into the front garden, as will the yarrow and pansy. Everything will get repurposed. I'm not throwing it out. I'm just going to give it a stern talking to. So yeah, I'm pulling everything out, and then we got a lot of stuff to choose from. I'm going to probably put canna in there. We got some begonias, my Prince Tut, this azalea that I bought that I will have to overwinter because it's not a hardy one, but I'm going to groom that up and make it look nice. It's going to go in that pot. I have a fuchsia, some black-eyed Susans, the green potato vine, sweet potato vine, and then over here we have a selection of some folious petunias and impatiens. So just going to play around with the colors and the textures, and that's what's going to be happening out front. My wee mini landscape. So I will still be working on it. I've got some little details and things that I'm going to be adding to this. Probably some moss as well. I have another mini landscape out in the backyard, which is going to be really exciting to show you. And I'm going to be getting a few things for that too. So this is not quite finished, but it's very sweet, I think. And here we are, 2-week update. Things are filling in. You can see they're starting to get bigger and they are blooming like crazy. Some of these are so pretty. So these petunias are all from seed. I did have to buy the petunias, and the canna are from seed. And excuse me, the sweet potato vine, the impatiens, and the king prince tut I did buy at the store. And then this planter here, it's filling in. It's a lot of the stuff is doing really good. So here we have the lobelia is doing really nicely. Is this the azalea? Like, look at that. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous blooms. Unfortunately, this is a warm season azalea, so I will have to overwinter it inside. The begonias are really filled in. The lobelia is doing fantastic. This is the little fuchsia that I bought from the plant sale, and it's got some flower buds on there, so it's going to start blooming soon. These are the impatiens I bought as well. The coleus, though, they got a lot of work to do. They got to catch up in the back. It's looking kind of flat right now. Planter here at the top is still a work in progress. I've used mainly houseplants that I had bought. So I have this ivy that I got at the plant sale as well. I got these prayer plants, and then from seed I grew the lobelia and these angel wing begonias. So hopefully those will get nice and big and come this way. And the height is going to be taken care of with my amaryllis when I bring them out, but it was just finished blooming, so I'll probably be popping that in this week. And I have some of the baby amaryllis here that I started from seed last year, so I put them out here as well. So that's going to fill in. Those should get pretty big. And then I had a caladium here. I don't know what's going on. The caladium is not looking so hot. So anyways, this will fill in and be nice backdrop.